welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make the creamiest and most delicious avocado salsa. This salsa is perfect for all of your favorite dishes. So in case you just want to know how to make this recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, we're going to begin by grabbing our skillet, set it on medium-high heat, add a little bit of oil, and allow it to heat up. Okay, once it's hot, we're going to add 6 tomatillos, cut them in half, and face them down. Along with our tomatillos, we're going to add 1/4 of a small white onion and just break it down. I'm going to be adding 4 chile serranos, 4 green chile de árbol, and 2 garlic cloves. And of course, it depends on how spicy you want your salsa. Using the amount of chilies that I'm using, my salsa is going to be spicy. Of course, if you don't want it to be spicy, use about 1 or 2 serranos and skip on the chile de árbol. And now we're just going to be frying for about 3 minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we're going to flip the tomatillos over. Okay, we're going to give them another 2 minutes. And just make sure that you're moving around the onion, garlic, and chiles. So after 2 minutes, we can transfer everything to our blender cup. Okay, so I'm just going to turn off my skillet, and I'm going to be also adding chile de árbol to my salsa. So lightly fry them for a couple seconds. Make sure that you don't burn them. And once they're done, we can transfer to our blender cup. Okay, and now we can get ready to blend. Okay, to a blender cup, we're also going to be adding 1 medium-sized avocado, 4 ounces of sour cream, or half a cup, a handful of cilantro. I'm going to be adding half a teaspoon of garlic salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and salt. Salt, I'm using 2 teaspoons. And I'm going to be blending with half a cup of water, or you can use milk. Okay, so now we're going to blend until smooth. Alrighty, and just like that, we have our delicious creamy avocado sauce. So we're going to transfer it to our bowl. Okay, so just transfer it. And look at that. Make sure you grab every drop. And just like that, we can get ready to enjoy with all of our favorite dishes. Alrighty guys, and to prevent my salsa from turning brown, I like to add the avocado pit as well. Just make sure that you completely seal it with plastic wrap, which is the lid for your container. But now we can get ready for the best part. And of course, if you don't have an avocado, you can always fry a Mexican squash, and you're going to get very similar results. But I am so ready. I'm just going to enjoy it with a taco, because let me tell you that this salsa, like I mentioned, it's perfect for all of your favorite dishes, especially tacos. So I'm just going to grab it. And it is going to be spicy, just because, you know, we like our salsas to be spicy, and this one is no exception. But of course, you can always adjust it to your liking. Just add less chiles, or, you know, you can even use chile serrano, remove the seeds. But I'm ready, so cheers and enjoy. Like I said, the best. It's spicy, but it just makes everything so delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make the most delicious avocado salsa. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.